Hazrat Ubaid bin Hunayn narrates that he heard Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu say, I intended to ask Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu about the two of the Prophet's wives who compelled Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But for a complete 1 year, I did not get any proper chance to discover it until I set out along with him for Hajj. When we were at Zahran, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu went aside to wide. He then said, I have to perform ablution, so I fetched some water in a vessel. He was performing ablution whereas I was pouring water. I thought it high time, so I submitted, O the chief of the believers, who were the two of the Prophet's wives who planned to compel him sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hardly had I completed my question when he said, they were Aisha and Hafsa radiyallahu anha. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4915.